Hello mga katami! Today we're going to prepare beef morcon. For more hugot yummy recipe, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you'll never miss my uploaded videos. I'm starting the preparation by boiling eggs. In this preparation, you need a large lump meat cut into thin slices. Then we'll start to marinate by adding soy sauce. Marinating, I prefer to add a bit of soda. Soda ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi di ka lang sakto. Ikaw pa ang aking happiness. Soda is optional. You may add only lemon if you want. Then let's start to cut all the fillings that will be used to stuff the meat. Carrot is a good source of beta-carotene, vitamins, potassium, and antioxidants. All the fillings must be sliced lengthwise into strips shape. Don't tickle the pickle. Cut it lengthwise. Chorizo de Bilbao is actually a Filipino dry pork sausage. Keso ka ba?
Why?
Because you are the keso of my tinapay. Ang bell pepper, kahit anong luto sa kanya, lumulutang pa din ang bango.
Bakit?
Parang sa love, kahit anong tago at dedma mo, umaalingasaw pa din ang tamis nito. Baby, are you an egg?
Why?
Because the moment I see you, my smile turns sunny side up.
Oh no!
Boiled eggs is an excellent source of high-quality protein and is rich in vitamins. Kung handa ka na magmahal, dapat hindi ka balat sibuyas. Parang paghihiwa lang ng sibuyas, baka biglang umiyak ka. What we are doing now is preparing spices for our morcon sauce. Now let's peel off and slice the garlic. What I bought here is about 3/4 kilos of meat. I decided to cut the beef into two. Round or top sirloin are the best part of beef that can be used for this recipe. Alam mo, baka di ka na makauwi.
Bakit?
Kasi, permanente ka na sa isip ko.
Oh no!
Spread melted butter all over the meat. Now start to add the fillings. Let's put the carrots, cheese, Chorizo de Bilbao, boiled egg, bell pepper, hot dogs, and pickles. After filling the ingredients, roll the meat carefully. Tie the meat with the kitchen twine. Parang pagmamahal lang, dapat itali mong maigi.
Bakit?
Para sigurado kang wala nang kawala. Make sure to tie almost all parts of the meat so that the filling will not come out. Prepare a dusting plate. Add flour, dusting the beef morcon at the flour helps seal its flavor. On a skillet, add enough oil. Meron bang mantikang hindi tumatalsik?
Bakit?
Kasi para hindi na ulit ako masaktan. Morcon is a Filipino dish consisting of sliced beef rolled around choice of stuff, and it is usually served during festive occasion. Fry the morcon until slightly brown. Now let's start to prepare the sauce. Sauté onion and garlic. Add liver spread. This is optional. Others don't add liver spread, but I prefer to add this one. Frying the liver spread along with onions and garlic adds more flavor to this recipe. Then add the fried morcon. Add the marinated soy sauce. At this point, if you want to add the excess fillings, you may do so because this adds flavor to our meat. Add beef cube. Add whole black pepper. You may add bay leaves if you want, but only few leaves. Add 1 cup of water. Cover and simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the beef is tender. Add tomato sauce. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes more. Add about 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of sugar. Asukal ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ang sweet-sweet mo. Let it simmer until the sauce thickens. And now, it's done. It's already cooked. All we have to do is to slice them. Be sure to remove the twine before slicing. Slice it according to your desired cut. You may start to plate them since this recipe is usually eaten during an event or holiday. Add the sauce on top of your plating. And now it's done. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you'll always get updated with my new videos.
Dude, crap!